if you don't see incoming calls on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then here's what you can do. So the first thing we're gonna check is the DND mode, which you can, for example, find in the control center or quick settings if you actually add it over here. So if you do have it, you just want to make sure that the DND mode is not on, because this can be the reason why you cannot see incoming calls. You can also press the volume up or volume down button, and here we have this moon icon, which allows us to also quickly check if we have DND mode active or not. If the DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then we can open the settings. Next, in settings, we're gonna go to apps, and then in apps we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and you want to choose show all apps, so we can see system apps as well. Now in here we can use this search, and we're gonna type phone, and we should be able to find a bunch of different apps. So let's say we're gonna start with the hyperphone in here. What you're gonna do is we're gonna clear all the data from this app. There we go. Besides that, let me actually try to hide the keyboard first. Besides that, we have the main phone app as well. In this case, we want to, if possible, you want to force stop the app, and then you want to clear the data. You want to clear all data in here as well. Also, make sure that notifications are enabled. All these notifications that you can see in here are on. And also check app permissions and make sure that these permissions are granted. If some of them are not, then of course you want to select the permission and grant the permission for the app. Alright, then we have phone and messaging storage, which we can clear as well. Then we have phone services. We're gonna clear data of this app too. And there's also Xiaomi phone. In this case we cannot clear the data, so that's okay. Alright. Besides that, I'm gonna also type call just to make sure that there is something else. There we go, we have manage calls, so we're gonna go here and clear all data as well. And that should be it. So once we go through all of these options, you want to open the phone app, and you may notice that the phone app looks slightly different. This is the previous design or previous style of the app before it got updated for Android 16. That is fine. After some time the app will be updated again, so you don't have to worry about it. But it still works as intended. And of course, now we should be able to check if we can see incoming calls. Last thing that you can also do, of course, is restart your phone. This simple step can be quite helpful as well. But that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.